Hello and welcome back to another video by Simplilearn. Are you looking to advance your career as a business analyst? Well, you have come to the right place. In today's fast-paced world, having the proper credentials to stand out is essential. We will discuss the roadmap to become a business analyst in 2023. We will be discussing business analysis and what business analysts do, and also we will see the path of your career. Apart from this, if you want to get certified in this field of business analysis and want to upskill now, let me ask you guys one interesting question. What is the primary goal of conducting a SWOT analysis? Option A, identify market trends and customer preferences. Option B, assessing the financial viability of a business venture. Option C, evaluating the internal and external factors impacting a business. Option D, developing strategies for product development and innovations. Please answer in the comment section below and we will update the answer in the pinned comment. You can also pause the video, give it a thought and answer in the comment section. Now, let's dive back into our video. Business analysis is like being a detective for a company. It helps a company figure out what it needs and how to make things better. Business analysis is done for all sort of things a company wants to do, whether big or small. It can be a part of specific project or ongoing as the company grows and improves. Think of it this way, business analysis helps a company understand where it is right now, where it wants to go, and how it gets there. It's like looking at a map and planning the best route for a journey. It's important because it helps the company make smart decisions and find ways to create value for the people involved. So, if you are into solving mysteries and helping companies grow, business analyst might be the perfect role for you. So till now, you must have gotten an idea of what business analysis is. Now, we will see who is a business analyst. A business analyst is a person who performs business analysis tasks described in a BABOK, which is the business analysis body of knowledge. No matter their job title or organizational role, business analysts are responsible for discovering and analyzing information from a variety of sources with an expertise, including tools, processes, documentations, and stakeholders. Now, let's see what business analysts do. The activities that business analysts perform includes business analyst understanding, enterprise problems and goals, analyzing needs and solutions, formulate strategies, drive changes, and facilitates stakeholders' collaboration. Moving ahead with the positions that we have in the business, and let's discuss with the education and skills needed for the career path. Let's begin with discussing the typical salary range of an entry-level business analyst position. It's important to keep in mind that the salary figure depends on various factors such as location, industry, and company size. However, we can provide a general idea of what you might expect. For entry-level business analyst, in India, the salary range for entry-level business analyst is typically between 3 lakh to 6 lakh per annum. And in the US, the salary range for entry-level business analyst is approximately between $50,000 to $70,000 per annum. Now, let's see education and foundation. First, you will need to get a bachelor degree in business administration, computer science, or relatable field. It's like building a strong foundation of your career to boost your credentials. You can also consider getting certifications. After that, sharpen your skills. Acquire domain knowledge and develop your analytical skills by learning tools like Excel, SQL, and data visualization software. These are like secret weapons that will help you analyze data and find important insights. You should also learn problem-solving methods and how the model processes. It's like becoming a problem-solving superhero. Now, hands-on experience. To really level up, look for internships, entry-level positions, or projects within your organization. This will give you a practical experience and allows you to contribute to the requirements gathering, documentation, and testing. It's like going on a real-life mission and making a tangible impact. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to become a skilled business analyst. You will be the hero who helps businesses make smart decisions and drive success. Now, let's talk about senior business analyst salary. For senior level business analysts in India, the salary range can be between 6 lakh per annum to 12 lakh per annum. In the US, the salary range of a senior business analyst is typically between 70,000 US dollar to 100,000 US dollar per annum. For education and foundation, consider pursuing a master degree in business administration or a relatable field to deepen your knowledge and expertise. Explore advanced certifications such as Certified Business Analyst Professional or Project Management Professional. Acquire domain knowledge. Continue expanding your understanding of the industry and its strength, challenges and emerging technologies. Develop a deep understanding of specific business domain with the industry. Next, analytical skill development. Enhance your data analysis capabilities by exploring advanced technologies, predictive modeling, and data visualization. Familiarize yourself with business intelligence tools and advanced analytics platforms. Hands-on experience. Take the lead on large projects and handle critical business analysis activities. Mentor and support junior analysts. Provide them with guidance and assistance. Remember, the key is to continue learning, gaining practical experience, and staying up to date with the industry trends. Good luck with your business analysis journey. After that, we have lead business analyst. The salary range of a lead business analyst in India can vary from 12 lakh per annum to 25 lakh per annum. And in the US, the salary range for lead business analyst is typically between 100,000 US dollar to 150,000 US dollar. Next, education and foundation. Take advanced certification and specialized training in leadership and business strategy. You should also acquire domain knowledge. Become an expert in your industry by staying up to date on trends, regularizing on new technologies. Next, analytical skills development is very important. Develop expertise in advanced analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Learn about tools and technologies for predictive analysis and data-driven decision making. Next, we have business analysis technologies. Master the art of facilitating and negotiating in complex stakeholders engagement. Last, hands-on experience. Take the lead on strategic initiatives and large-scale projects. Play a significant role in shaping your organization's business analysis processes and methodologies. Everyone processes at their own pace based on their skills, opportunities, and industry demands. Keep seeking professional development, take on challenging tasks, and build strong relationships with the industry to accelerate your growth as a business analyst.
I have always been passionate about learning new things and improving my teaching skills. About 5 years ago, I realized that I have a gap in my knowledge, and to fill the gap, I needed to upskill myself. I chose Simplilearn as my upskilling partner because of its comprehensive curriculum and its connection with Purdue University.
Hi, my name is Carlos Linares. I live in Lexington, in the state of Kentucky, in the United States. I am an assistant professor at Midway University, and I hold a PhD in management, human resources, and leadership. I decided to opt for the post-graduation program in business analysis from Simplilearn, which has helped me a lot in my professional and personal life. I have been teaching even before I moved to the United States 17 years ago. I tried to use Excel while teaching research classes, but since I only had the basic knowledge about it and other business intelligence tools, it was very difficult for me at the beginning. But after completing this class and learning how to use tools like Excel, Tableau, Power BI, Power Query properly, I feel like it has been a total game changer for me. Now I apply these skills everywhere, which has also helped me a lot in my yearly review. I submitted all my certificates to my university, and based on that, my university plans to develop a class focused on business analysis starting in fall 2023. And I am really excited. When I finally decided to go for an online program, I researched a lot. And finally, I chose Simplilearn. And I must say it has been a wonderful experience. You see how the business world is changing now, and skilling yourself is quite essential to keep up with this change. Everything works on numbers now. Data is more valuable and important than ever. So, I encourage you to keep learning and keep growing.
So with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.